Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you step by step how you can change the background color for your photos and images in Pixlr photo editors. So let us get started. Alright guys, so as you can see in that example canvas here, the background is red and we can change the background color pretty easily by simply selecting the background image as a layer here to the right. Select it with your left mouse and after that you will see these colors here. The one in the foreground is the dominant one. So what you want to do is left click into it and select a different color. So let me go with that one, click into OK. And after that, select that tool here to the left, fill, click into it and click into your layer, just like that to change its color. So that's one way how you can do it, provided of course we have already a background image as a layer added to your project. However guys, if you don't have this and would like to start with a completely new photo project, you will need to add an empty image layer first. To do that, let's assume you would like to start with a new project. Click into File in the top left corner, select New Image, and after that select one of these templates, customizable templates, or go for custom width and height here to the right. Let me go with that one, 20 by 1080 pixels, and select Create. That is going to create a new project here. As you can see, you can switch between these. And as you can see, the background layer or image layer is empty. If you don't see it here, guys, you may add an empty layer by clicking into this button and select empty here, just like that. And after that, the layer will be added to your list of layers. Now we have two, so we don't need to. Let me delete the upper one. And in this case, guys, just make sure that your background image is always at the bottom of your layers. For example, if you have added various text layers, image layers, and so on and so forth, depicting objects and items on your canvas, make sure that the background is at the very bottom. So guys, after that, simply repeat the same process. Select your background image layer here, navigate to this button here, fill, and click into your canvas. And that's it. If you'd like to change the color, click into that color icon here, find your preferred color like this one, for instance, click into OK, click into that fill tool, click into your canvas and change the background color of your image layer. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.